Hello, I'm Warren Williams with the Nelson Group, and I'm excited to share some great tips with you that will make the difference between mediocre and extraordinary success for your business. I first want to talk to you about focus. Now, do you ever feel like you're going 1,000 directions at once and getting absolutely nowhere? Well, as a business advisor, I see that business owners often lack focus from having too many demands placed on their time or, quite frankly, a lack of organization. They aren't sure what to focus on first. Let me give you an example. Joe runs a service business, and like most small business owners, he is the driving force behind the business. He runs hard every day, just keeping up with the day-to-day demands of his customers. He wants his business to grow, but it seems the only solution is to work harder. He has a desk full of advertising ideas that have caught his eye, but he isn't sure whether they'll work. His budget is limited, so he can't afford to waste money. He wants more for and from his business, but isn't sure how to make that happen. He's got plenty to do, but in what order? And what is he missing? Does this sound familiar? Do you find yourself often drowning in details with an impossibly long to-do list, and the business just isn't moving forward? Having trouble finding your priority? Then this is for you. I've got 3 easy steps to get you on the road to better focus. First, decide what you want. Sounds pretty simple, right? But it's the key to getting this problem behind you. What's your ideal outcome? What results do you want? What does success look like for you? In our example, Joe took an afternoon off away from his office. He cleared his calendar and really made this a priority. Second, write it out on paper. If it's not written, it's not real. It's amazing what happens when you get your goals out of your head and in front of you. Grab a notebook, your iPad, your smartphone, a sticky note, whatever works for you to really make this accessible. Send it to a friend, your spouse, or someone who appreciates your business resolve and have them hold you accountable. In our example, Joe created an outline of his goals and shared it with a good business friend who helped keep Joe on track. Once Joe knew exactly what he wanted, it became much easier to determine what had to be done and in what order. And that leads me to the third and final step. Decide what it will take to get what you want. What is step 1, step 2, and so on? Now this is where a lot of my clients stop and pause. They ask themselves, how am I going to do this? What don't I know? What skills am I lacking? What help do I need to achieve my goals? Once Joe was able to see the list as a whole, it was much easier to decide which task had to take precedent and which would be simply nice to have. Joe determined that in order for his business to grow, he needed to spend more time working on his business and not just working in it. That meant changes, and he knew he needed help to make it work. So let's review. Increase your focus in 3 easy steps. Number 1, decide what you want. Number 2, write it down. And number 3, determine what it will take to get what you want. Well, guess what? If you follow these steps, just like Joe in our example, you will know what to focus on. And when you're focused, you're a more effective leader who can make things happen instead of wondering what happened. Of course, if you take these steps and you're still feeling overwhelmed, then get the help you need. A business advisor is a great resource for you. Advisors are objective, experienced people who can help guide your decision making and help you to get things to happen. The process at the Nelson Group will help you narrow your goals, focus you in on key requirements, and create a plan of attack that will move your business forward to where you want it to be. If you've got a minute, connect with me on LinkedIn, Warren Williams. You can find me under management consulting in the Charlotte, North Carolina area. I'd love to learn more about you and your business because I'm here to help you plan, do, and succeed. So stay tuned for a series of informative videos that will help you clarify your business goals and move you towards greater success than you ever dreamed possible. See you on our next video when we will discuss surviving the recession. And feel free to check out our website at plandosucceed.com for a complete list of articles and tips. Thanks for watching.